Okay, step 13. We will be registering a card holder. So let's click on the card holder management on your front screen, or you can find this under the access control tab, as you can see here. Once you have entered the setting, type in a company employee ID, which could be anything from 101, 001, or highly up to you. So let's click on 001. His name is David. Anything you see in the yellow or beigeish color, these are mandatory fields. Click on the department. Let's click on company, the department. If you have filled out the position, title, and access type from the operation management, you may fill it in if you like. You can also indicate or allocate a photo by clicking on the open button, or if you have a webcam, just click on capture photo. Once you have filled out these two mandatory fields, click on the next tab over, access card information. From here you can activate or deactivate the card. What type of card? What is the card number? Currently I have a smart card, so I'm going to put in my 10 digits, or if you have our regular IDC cards, which will be 8 digits. Let's fill in my card number. Password, if you are using a pin pad reader, so it could be up to 4 digits. Let's select ours. What type of card is it? Is this going to be an employee card? Is this a manager card? If it's a visitor card, and so on. Right now, let's click on employee. If you like to give it a valid date, meaning if you are on a contract, you can have this expired after 3 months, or even a day, or a couple hours, or indicate this as a lost card, which means that you reissued a new card. But whenever that person tries to use their card when it was already indicated as lost, it'll come out as an alarm event. And the last step, to assign a card to a specific door or group of doors, you may do so by, on the right side under access group, you could select group 1, which we created earlier, or we can select whether to not set individual doors. Come over to access group tab, you'll see individual doors. Either or, you can have it as a group of doors or set it up as individual doors. All you have to do is double click, or using the right arrow button by moving it over. Once you have done so, click on Issued, which will move the access card to the bottom of the list, meaning that this card will be associated to this employee. Now let us click on Save. Okay, let's transmit this to the controller. Click on Yes. Okay. Now your board will recognize that there is a personnel or employee that has this card ID number. If you like to fill out more information about the person, you may click on Detailed Information. Fill out all their information if you like. If you have a biometric reader, you can have them register from any of the devices you can see right here. Or if they already have done so, you may receive by just clicking on this receive fingerprint data from specific fingerprint reader, and you may select the device that is connected that has your personnel's fingerprint data. If you have our Finger Pro, aka Hamster, which is connected by USB to your PC or server, you may register from this little device by clicking on the fingerprint registration. Once you have done so, just click on the use biometric information by just checking it off. Now you'll be able to utilize the biometric portion. You may set up the user-defined fields for extra information about the person, which can be set from the options setting, which we'll be showing you later on. You may search for individuals' event data as well as alarm data. If this person will be utilizing time and attendance, if you are going to keep track of this in and out, and if there's any extra documentation that you would like to attach for this person, for any receptionist, for any admin to come in and take out at any time. But essentially, the first two tabs are the most important tabs to be setting up as a card holder. Let's just click on save one more time. Okay, and then let's just send it one more time. Yes. You don't have to do it a second time because I've already done so after the card information. Let's click on OK, then click on close.